Hey guys, this is Gunjan from Mr. Phone and today we are giving away this P-Tron Tangent Beats Bluetooth 5.0 wireless earphones to one lucky viewer. Before you skip to the end, please note to follow the rules carefully in order to qualify and also keep watching the video to know more about it. And guys, if you love watching our videos, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. So this is the P-Tron Tangent Beats wireless neckband which comes with a charging cable, ear tips and a manual. And the price of these super cool wireless earphones is just Rs 799 on Amazon. It comes with an ergonomic sporty design, a strong build and a super flexible wire which makes it lightweight and manageable. Looking at this neckband, on one side you see P-Tron's branding and on the other side you get volume controls, a mic and a charging port. But the best part of this neckband is its magnetic earbuds which are best for tangle-free carrying and storage. To connect the earphones with your phone, just long press the button in the middle. Once the LED light starts blinking, it will be easily connected. In terms of features, these wireless earphones comes with 10mm drivers, dual pairing support, sweat and dust resistance and passive noise cancellation. Now talking about its battery life, these earphones come with a 110 mAh battery which gives you roughly 6 hours of playtime and 7 hours of talk time. In terms of listening experience, as its name suggests, the Tangent Beats offer dynamic sound quality with a balanced bass, mids and high. And even while attending calls, the quality was decent and the mic worked well too. So guys, that was all about the earphones. Let's talk about the giveaway now. To win this P-Tron wireless earphones, you need to follow 3 simple steps. First of all, like the video and subscribe to the channel in case if you haven't. Number 2, follow us on Twitter and Instagram. And number 3, leave a comment below along with your Twitter and Instagram username so if you win, we can contact you. So guys, best of luck to all of you. Winners will be announced on next Tuesday, August 10. Till then, you keep watching Mr. Phone.